Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Monday. I have my coffee. It's Dan's birthday. Oh my God, I've been up since the crack of dawn. I've been up so early with the kids because they get so excited. It's their dad's birthday. They get so excited, bless them. So I thought, actually, I'm doing my makeup anyway. We're going out. As much as it's not for me, but Dan wants to do this with the kids. Norwich City have been promoted back to the Premiership, so they're doing a big tour around the city today, and the players are doing speeches and stuff. I don't know. I just said, fine, we'll go, but I'll go and get coffee somewhere. So I thought, right, I'll come on, get my makeup on, and get ready to face the day. So it is a bank holiday. What's everyone else doing today? I'm back at work tomorrow, but I've just had 3 days off, which actually I needed. I was knackered. Absolutely shattered. You have to be so noisy. So noisy. Does it every time? Every time. I have to be nice to him the day though, because it's his birthday. Hi Lizzie, how are you? Who's going up the city today with their yellow and their green? Yellow and green? Yellow and green colours. Byron's putting his Norwich strip on to wear his, and then we'll meet friends up there as well. And then we'll probably go and get coffee somewhere. I'm like, yeah, I'll go as long as I get coffee. So let's get our brows done. Ladies, if you don't do your brows, you're missing a trick. Honestly, it makes such a difference. Shapes your face, shapes your eyes. This is the Brow Obsession palette that I'm using. Love it. Love it. Hi, Emma. How are you? Emma, have you seen the 4D lashes? You need them in your life. Honestly, they are just amazing. So look, I've got nothing. Actually, I've still got a bit of mascara on from last night, which is gross, but never mind. I couldn't get it all off last night because I was just being quick because I was knackered. I wanted to get into my bed. Started watching Line of Duty, fell asleep. I'll have to watch it tonight. So don't tell me what happened. Don't tell me what happened. Does anybody else watch Line of Duty? Morning, Michelle, how are you? Right. Brows are not fabulous, but they will do. Today is Monday. I'm not that bothered. I am... Dad's getting ready, darling.
Can I have some toast?
Yep. Let me just do my makeup and then I'll get you some. The joys of running a business with a family. Oh, sugar. Oh, God, everything's just falling. Hold on. Oh, God. Hold on, hold the bus. What the hell's going on here? Oh. Do you know what? It's going to be one of those lives. Wait a minute to put that in. There we go. There we go. It's because my phone needed charging, so I thought I'll just charge it up while I'm doing this. Right, I'm just going to get a little bit of base on my eyes. I'm actually just going to use, this is a stick that we have. It's a highlighting stick, but it's really good just to use as a base for your eyes. I think I'm going to go a little bit girly today. I think I'm going to go a little bit pinky. Pinky and purpley. Because I can. Because actually I've got a bit of pink in my hair, so that'll go lovely. Right. Oh my God, look how tired I look. Back to work tomorrow. Never mind. It could be worse. Right. Let's use some of the Moodstruck Beloved 1 and Moodstruck Beloved 2. Let's go for these. Right, so we're going to start with Doting. Such a lovely colours. Let's go for pinks and purples. Pinks and purples today. I'm feeling all girly. So I've put the concealer on just to help me have a base, and then we're now going to start going across the lid with a lighter colour to start with. And then we're going to build some colour on the corners. These palettes, this palette you can still get, I believe. I'll double check that though, just to make sure, so I'm not telling you fibs. But I love the Mood Struck Beloved palettes, they're so pretty. This is just a light purple, pinky purple. Good morning, Leslie, how are you? This one is Adored, which is a really light pinky, kind of, it's hard to see in the mirror, but you'll see it once. I'm just dabbing it on, really light. And then we'll take a bit of colour. We're going to take a replaceable, which is this colour here. And we're going to just take a little of that. Still using the same brush, and we're going to go into the corner and up. God, it's hot in here. The cat's squawking to get in. Morning, Maggie, how are you? Getting ready to go up the city? We'll see you up there. I was going to do yellow and green eyes, and then I was like, nah, let's do pink and purple. Right. What time are you going in, Maggie? Dan?
Yeah?
Can you just open that back door? I'm roasting. Right. So just do it like a really gentle, light sort of motion. You don't want to be heavy with your brushes. And don't add too much makeup, too much product at one time. Add a little all the time and just build it up. God, you know the day. And build it up. Literally like that. See? And then we're just pulling it up into the rest of the eye. Same brush. Not any more product on there. These products are so highly pigmented that you need very little. And they will last and last and last. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some Wistful, which is this colour here. And get the right brush. Have I got Strictly Come Dancing song in my head? What is that all about? Right, Wistful. And we're going to just add a little bit of depth to here. Just see the difference, just adding a tiny amount will make. So you're just doing a little circle and then rolling up. And it's just adding an extra dimension to your eyes. And if you're like me and you've got a hooded eye, you want to keep your eyelid quite light. And then just build your colour around it, because it will then give the illusion that your eye is more open. I'm not fortunate enough that I don't have a non-hooded eye, so I have to work at my eyes. But that's okay, you just work with what you've got and enhance what you already have. And that is what makeup's about. It's not about covering up. It's about showing off what you've got and enhancing what you've already got. Right. There we go, look at that, loving it. Now, I'm just going to blend that slightly. Blending is key, ladies. You must blend your eye makeup. Actually, blend all your makeup, but your eye makeup is definitely the one that you really need to work with. Right, I'm going to now take some concealer in, what one's that? In Organza, because I'm a little bit darker than normal because I've been on my holidays. And I've got a tiny, tiny amount of the Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer. Just find my concealer brush. Why is it when you smell toast, right, you think, want some bit of wheat bread? But anyway. Right, so we're going under the eye. under the eye to cover those dark circles. Now, ladies, if you suffer with, like me, with dark circles, you need this product in your life. It will be your saving grace. Now, never, ever, ever, when you put your concealer on, don't just do under the eye. You need to blend it in. Blend it in, so you need to go right down to pretty much where your nostrils are, in a long triangle. And then blend it. Now, with the excess that's on your brush, just tip it up and clean up your brows. It makes such a difference. It's the little things that really make a difference. And then up on top as well. See the difference where I've just cleaned that up to this one? It really does make a difference. And then I'm going to use my fabulous favourite combo is the BB cream still, because my skin still feels a bit dry from being on holiday. So this is like a saving grace. It's like a battle at the moment to make my skin still look flawless whilst being dry. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to take our blending bud and a bit of rose water. Find it. Here's my rose water. Oh. Always make sure your blending bud is damp. I'm not using the word moist because I don't like it. It just sounds rude. Moist. Here's my little party animal cat who's out all night. Wouldn't come in, little rascal. So just make sure you blend. Blend, blend, blend. I've got my primer on before I did my makeup. Because that's why I do my brows first. Because you need to let your primer set. Otherwise, it's not going to hold. It's not going to hold. Right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm not blended that fully. I'm going to take some BB cream. Hydrating, multitasking BB cream. My hand ends up like a palette. So this one is Honey, which is the bang in the middle shade. There's 5 shades to choose from. And this one is Honey. There's Cream, which is the lightest. Then there's Bisque, which is my winter shade. And Honey, which is my summer shade. But because I've been on holiday, I've already got a base. But this gives you like a dewy finish that's not too heavy. But I just love it. And then if I add in a loose powder or loose powder foundation, it just seems to help my lines and pores. Because I have quite large pores and it does my nutting, to be honest. And this combination just seems to work for me at the moment. And I'm all about just sharing what I love. And this works. But you can see I've been using my brightening mask. And my skin really is quite bright and awake and alive at the moment. It's fab. Coffee, see when it hits the soul. Oh, it's like sunshine in the stomach. Right. Because I don't want a heavy foundation today at all. So I'm now going to take some loose powder foundation in Poplin. If you need colour matching, no problem. Just give me a shout and I can help with that. So we're literally just dabbing this right in and getting in about all the creases. Yeah, you know the ones, ladies. All the creases, all the lines. And you're just dabbing it in. And you can see the difference by just doing that. I'll go up close. Like it just gives me the most flawless finish. I love it. And it's still really light and really lightweight. It's not heavy or cakey at all. So I'm literally just dabbing it in. I'm not moving it around. I'm just dabbing it into my pores to give me the flawless finish that we're all craving. Who doesn't want a flawless face? Now, that I love. No one would know how tired I looked like 5 minutes ago. So I'm going to just take a little bit more wistful on the end. Oh, because you need to do whatever you do on the top, you do on the bottom as well. Because it will just finish the eye. See the difference by doing that? It's bringing the eye together. And then I'm going to take some Irreplaceable, which is the pinker of the two shades, which is this one here, which I'm going to use. So I've used that on the edges, and I'm using this now further along the eye. I'm just going to get my tiny little brush, and we're going along the lower lash line. But it makes such a difference putting colour. Whatever you do on the top, you should do on the bottom as well. It just brings your eyes together. See? I love these colours, pinks and purples. They're so pretty. I don't know what the weather's like outside. I'll have to have a look as to what to wear. As long as it's not raining, I don't care. To be honest, I just hate the rain. I think as a woman, rain is just like the worst thing ever. Because it just messes up your hair. I'm just going to blend that in. Just once you get your mascara on, it will just bring it all together. Now, I don't wear makeup on Thursdays. Now, what we're going to do is take a little bit of bronzer. I have Hermosa. It's a brand new one. That'll last me like till 2020. That's how amazing these products are. Hi, Mags. How are you? We're off up the city, Mags, to watch the Norwich City tour. The players are all out this morning at 9:30. So I'm going up there to pretend that I'm supporting Dan because it's his birthday. But it's no my cup of tea, but he's promised me coffee, so I'm like, fine, I'll go. Right, a little bit of you're looking amazing as usual. Oh God, you didn't see me 2 minutes ago when I had no makeup on. I looked like I'd been dragged through a hedge backwards. Where is Sisterly? I literally looked like I had had a fight with a wildebeest. My hair was like, ah. Thank God for makeup, that's all I say. Right, this is Sisterly. Now this comes in the new presenters kits. And it's such a lovely colour. It's got like a little shimmer in it as well. As you can see. See the little highlight? So this is in the new presenters kit, as is the 4D mascara, which we're going to put on in a minute. But I'm going to put on some lipstick first. Why do you get an itchy nose when you do your makeup? Right, a little bit of highlighter. We're going in with Iridescent, which is the pristine white. And we are going to use that. We're going to use that where we've put a concealer. Hiya, Sharon. How are you? Dan's getting the kids ready with my mum, bless them, while I'm on here. Right. How was your night shift, Sharon? Are you getting to your bed or you got to stay up with little one? Right. Little on there. And then a little bit of thing, and then a little bit of the old fan brush, my favourite. Get the old highlighter on. I had too many plans to meet with Fifi in Birmingham. Oh, did you not manage to get to catch up? Because you're not that far, are you, from Birmingham? Should have gone to Cambridge. That was funny. When we met up in Cambridge, wasn't it? Dan's looking at me. Right, let's get some 4D lashes on. Put my lippy on as well. I'm going to go with Sentimental today. This was the first ever splash I got and I fell in love with it. I can't talk. The BB you had on yesterday looked nice. Yes, Mags. I had, I've got crepe. What was the one I had on yesterday? Yeah, it was crepe I put on yesterday with honey in the BB cream. Yeah, honey and crepe. Today I've put on poplin, just because that was the one I had handy. That's my lippy on. Right, let's get some 4D lashes on. "4D lashes, I have none." Watch this. Now, I'm not going mental, but I said that yesterday, and then I ended up giving myself massive lashes. It's hard not to. So this is a brand new formula. It's a brand new product that came out this week, on Wednesday. It's got little Y-shaped infused fibres in the gel. And you literally wiggle and roll. Oh, God, I can use. Wiggle and roll, and it will give you length and volume like you've got false lashes on. Now, if you've got any lashes at all, this stuff is going to blow your mind, because I've got none. So for me, the results that I'm getting, and I've got no lashes. So if you've got any lashes at all, you are going to be blown away by this mascara. And it's vegan friendly. It's vegan friendly. It is suitable for sensitive eyes, and it is okay with contact lenses as well. It is the most amazing mascara ever. Hold on, I've got a wee hair on there. That's it. It's the most amazing one-step mascara. So easy to use. There's no faffing like the 3D lashes were, which was gel fibres gel. This is just one stick. So really simple to use, but the results are phenomenal. Now I am just putting a little bit on. I'm not going mental today, because I don't want to, like, it's Monday morning at the end of the day. But look at that. Like, it's unbelievable, this mascara. Oh God, it's hitting my eyes. It's so big, look. Look at that. I'm not putting too much on. This is me toning it back. I can't help it. I'm just in love with this mascara. It's so easy to use. And it's so amazing. Like, the results are just unbelievable. When I put it on, I'm like, what? What's going on? So you kind of wiggle and roll. That's what they said to do. But basically just put your mascara on as normal. Let's not complicate it. And you can just keep building it. Wait till you see this. Look at that. That is one coat of 4D lashes. Nothing, something. Look at that. Let's get the other eye on. So if you want the 4D lashes in your life, comment 4D for me, and I will get that sorted for you. It also comes in the new presenters kits. So if you're thinking about doing what I do and want more information, you'd like to run your own business, whether it's a full-time thing, a part-time, around your family. You know, I've got girls on my team that are mums like me that already have jobs and they already have good jobs, they have other commitments, and this is the beauty of this business. You can work it around what all you already do. So if you would like more information on, I'm roasting, on what we do, please just drop me a little message or put a little purple heart in the comments and I will get back to you, because now is the most exciting time to join. It's crazy. We get, there's so many perks to this company. At the moment, we are all working towards the Bahamas incentive trip for next January. And you get to take a +1. And it's on a cruise ship. So I'm like, hell yeah, get me there January. And the perks are unbelievable. Free makeup, a massive, beautiful kit of best-selling products to launch your business strong. Get paid 3 hours after every order. 3 hours. Mental. Absolutely mental. 3 hours. Your commission is in your bank. And the compensation plan is fabulous. Like, it really is unbelievable. You can get cash bonuses, car bonuses each month. You can earn free makeup, discounted makeup. You can earn incentives. Oh, it's just unbelievable. You get all the training, all the support you need. Your website's set up for free and it goes live as soon as you click join. It's just, it's such an amazing company to work with. And that's me. 4D lashes are done. A little bit of setting powder under the old eyes. Not that you get much fallout at all from this product, from this mascara. That's me. I am good to go. Just need to do something with my pink hair. And that's me. Happy days. I'll take some pictures in a minute. But that is me. 4D for me. Drop me a 4D for me if you would like to try this amazing, amazing mascara. 4D for me. And if you would like to know more information on what we do and think about running your own business, then drop me a purple heart in the comments and I will get back to you. But for now, I'm off to spend some time with the birthday boy, with my family, and go into the city. So have a great bank holiday Monday and I will speak to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.